All right. Well, today I'm going to talk about how you can promote the affiliate program at classifiedsubmissions.com and earn $98.58 commissions. That's if you do the yearly membership by creating your own video review of the ebook. And by the way, this technique can be used for any affiliate program, not just ours, but I'm going to talk about our affiliate program at classifiedsubmissions.com. And I'm going to show you some really easy ways that you can create your own video review of the ebook, even if you don't know anything about videos. Like the software that I'm using now is called Screencast, and it is so easy to use and so cheap. I don't really care about people seeing me, on YouTube. I just want to get people the information as quickly as possible. I'm not looking to, be a big personality or anything. And maybe that's the way you are. Everyone's different. But in any case, if you just want to do screen videos, this software is great, and it's either free or super cheap, super easy to use. I was using Camtasia before, but that's kind of very heavy, and the pro version is very expensive. And this works fantastic. It's better, I think. So here we go. I go to Screencast, and this is how simple it is. You can just go and you click here, and it's start recording for free. You can start recording for free. And you come up and you have like a little window like this. You click record. I can't show it to you exactly because I'm using the software. I tried to do it. But you can watch a video here which shows you how to do it. But in any case, you get a little button here and you click record and you just start recording, and it picks up whatever mic that you have. And it records everything that you're doing on the screen. That's exactly what I'm doing now. So what you could do is, say if you want to do your own video review of the free ebook that we give away. And by the way, with the ebook that we give away, you can rebrand it with your own links, give it away, and you could earn commissions if anybody clicks on the links and orders. So this is a way for you to promote that ebook on YouTube, which is really effective. So first of all, if you can come here, take a look at the ebook, and what you could do is you could do a video on each point on this ebook. For example, he said promote a landing page with an opt-in form, not a big corporate site. And on this one, I'm talking about, a lot of people have these big corporate sites that really doesn't work that great promoting it. You can, it's the best really to have a more focused landing page, capture the people's email address. And so you could read this and kind of give your own take on this, just this one point, and make a video, a screencast video of that. And then take that video, upload it to YouTube, and you've got your own video review. You could have a whole series on each point. You say, okay, in the next one, you talk about making sure your offer is fantastic before you start advertising it. That's this next point. You could do another video on that. Follow up, follow up, follow up. Talk about the importance of having an autoresponder. That's another video you could do. And you can go here. You can get Screencast-O-Matic. You can get a free version that will have a watermark in it. All right. Now, the pro version, it's like $2 a month. It's nothing. And plus they'll host the videos for you as well. So you can upload it to YouTube, and also you can host it on their service as well as a backup, which I think is just outstanding. So what I would suggest doing is, after you make the video, all right, you come here to the rebrander page, and I'll put all these links in below, and you of course rebrand the ebook. It's very easy to rebrand the ebook. You sign up for 2 affiliate programs. They're free: classifiedsubmissions.com and coolmarketingsoftware.com. For example, you go to a page like this, you fill out the information, you choose your own user ID, click submit, then you put the user ID here for both affiliate programs, put your email address here, click rebrand the report, and you'll get a rebranded report of the ebook. Here, I just did a sample, then I said rebrand the ebook. There we go. I can download the ebook, which is rebranded with my affiliate links here. I have a direct link here that I can use to promote if I want. So I can take this direct link and put it in the description of the YouTube videos and tell people, hey, click the link, and if you want to download the whole ebook. So you could make 10 videos just like that on each point, and in the description, put the link directly to your version of the ebook. We'll see what it looks like here. So this is would be your rebranded version. And when you come down here, like say here, I don't know if you can see it there, but you look at the URL and it has the affiliate ID right there. Test 55 was the affiliate ID. It's all in there, and all the links in here will be like that. And you saw how easy it was to rebrand it. All right. I just did click and it rebranded the ebook, and we came to this page and you get it. So you have a direct link here, and you can come here to the ebook and look at each point and do a screencast video just like I'm doing. And it doesn't have to be perfect, folks. You know, actually the perfect videos don't work as well. People just want authenticity. So just, even if you have an accent, as long as people can understand you, it actually works better. These simple videos that are real work better and have your point of view. So if you want to start, advancing more with your affiliate marketing, you need to be creative. Just buying traffic and setting it to a ClickBank offer, it really doesn't work that great. You have to start building your own audience and your own YouTube channel, and that's what the successful people are doing. So this is just one tip on something you can do, and you can do this with any affiliate program you have. All right. But the thing I would suggest doing if you're into affiliate marketing is creating your own website, having your own blog, could be just a blog, having your own YouTube channel, having your own Facebook page, having your own social media, which gives people helpful tips around that niche, whatever that niche is, and start building your list in that niche. So you want to build your audience. You want to think a little bit more long-term, just getting something and making a sale right away. That is how I see all the successful affiliates doing it. They all have their own blog. They all have their own YouTube channel. They all have their own mailing list. And so this is a tip to help get you started on promoting affiliate programs your own way with super cheap, easy to use. It's exactly what I use. Screencast-O-Matic. I think they're fantastic value. I paid just yearly for it. And there's no affiliate link for that. I don't even know if they have an affiliate program. I'm not promoting it to make an affiliate commission on $2 a month. It's just what I use. So there's some tips on how you get started promoting the ClassifiedSubmissions.com affiliate program. We pay up to $98.50 commissions per sale. On the yearly sale on $197, we pay you half. And we pay you recurring commissions on the other ones. We have the monthly and the quarterly, $39.95 right now, and $77. Of course, that can change at any time, but it is a hot seller. I've sold thousands and thousands of them, folks. I sell literally every single day, so it works. This works. I'm paying commissions, getting ready to do it now, out to affiliates every single month without fail. All right. And I get the affiliate commissions are generated every single day. So this is a proven concept. People want this service. It's very well priced. So if you have any type of list, if you have any type of marketing ability, this is a winner, folks. I'm not saying you're going to make $1 million, billion, zillion dollars and going to change your life. That's all bullshit. Okay. People telling you that, but it's real, and affiliates are making real sales with this. So I've thrown the ball in your court. I've given you some ideas. Up to you to get to work. And if you have questions and you're actually doing this, let me know. Okay. But let me know if you're actually doing it, and then I can help you. I like people who are actually taking action, and then I'll be glad to help you if you have questions. Thank you so much. This is Matt with ClassifiedSubmissions.com, QuickRegisterSEO.com, and CoolMarketingSoftware.com. Click the link below for all the links that we're talking about. It'll be in the description. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. We've got new software coming out, free software, pro software, and more ideas on how to promote your affiliate offers as well. Just like this, creative offers that are working for our affiliates and work for us. Thank you so much. Please like, share. You're welcome to embed this video on your blog and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much.